Most people don't struggle with money because they don't earn enough. They struggle because they don't have a plan. If you've ever reached the end of the month and wondered where your money went, you're not alone. And the good news? Fixing this is easier than you think. Let's clear something up right now. Budgeting is not about cutting all the fun out of your life. It's about control. When you budget, you decide where your money goes, instead of wondering where it went. Think of money like water. Without a container, it leaks everywhere. A budget is that container. Most people fail at budgeting for 3 reasons. They make it too strict. They forget about unexpected expenses. And they believe budgeting means saying no to everything. That mindset makes people quit. But a good budget does the opposite. It gives you freedom. One of the simplest systems you can use is the 50-30-20 rule. It's easy. It's flexible. And it works almost anywhere in the world. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to needs. These are the things you must pay for to live. Rent, food, transportation, utilities, insurance, minimum debt payments. If your needs are higher than 50% right now, don't panic. That's normal. Budgeting isn't about perfection. It's about awareness and progress. 30% of your income goes to wants. These are things you enjoy but don't need to survive. Eating out, entertainment, subscriptions, shopping. This is where most money disappears. Not because people are careless, but because they're not intentional. You don't need to remove wants completely. Life is meant to be enjoyed. The goal is balance. Spend on what matters to you. Cut back on what doesn't. The final 20% goes to savings and investing. This is the most important part of your budget. Savings protect you. Investments grow your future. And extra debt payments buy you freedom. If 20% feels impossible, start smaller. 5% is better than 0. What matters most is building the habit. Now here's the truth. A budget without tracking doesn't work. You can use a notes app, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app. The tool doesn't matter. Consistency does. Once a week, check your spending. Not to judge yourself, but to understand your habits. Every budget also needs an emergency fund, because life will surprise you. Start with 1 month of expenses, then slowly build toward 3 to 6 months. An emergency fund turns financial disasters into small inconveniences. Your budget isn't permanent. Your life will change. Your income will change. Your expenses will change. At the end of each month, review your budget. Fix what didn't work. Adjust for the next month. A flexible budget will always beat a perfect one you quit on. Budgeting isn't about being rich. It's about being intentional. When you control your money, you control your future. Start simple. Stay consistent. And remember, every dollar should have a job.